The results I've seen since I came to Equilibrium have been more than I could possibly have imagined prior to coming. I'm Alison and I'm 66 years old. Before Equilibrium, I've been a member of various other gyms. I've always realised the importance of fitness, but the previous gyms have always been large commercial enterprises, often crowded. Reached out to Equilibrium because I have rheumatoid arthritis. I'd had a shoulder replacement and was just finishing my physio and wanted to join a gym again. I wanted something different from what I'd had before. I wanted something much more personal, much more tailored to my own needs and abilities. The barriers I faced before were knowing exactly what to do, knowing what program to set myself so that I could progress, when to increase weights, what kind of exercises I should be doing to achieve overall fitness goals or any other goals that I had. I would go to the gym, but I really didn't know what exactly I should be doing. My experience at Equilibrium is that this kind of gym is perfect for me. My PT knows me personally. He knows when to push me, when to encourage me. He knows if I'm struggling and will offer an alternative or a different way of doing something. In addition to the PT sessions and the cardio large groups, I like my monthly review with my PT because we cover not just what I've been doing, but what I want to do in the next little while, month or two, what I feel are my weaknesses and what I can focus on. We also cover other things like nutrition. Coming to Equilibrium's made an enormous difference to my life. I not only feel stronger and fitter, but I can just carry on my daily normal activities without feeling tired or lacking in energy towards the end of the day. It's just given me more overall energy to be able to do all the things I want to do. The results I've seen since I came to Equilibrium have been more than I could possibly have imagined prior to coming. I like the way you have a 4-weekly, monthly programme where you start off with high reps and lower weights and build up to a test week at the end of the month. By the end of the month, I'm really up to pushing myself to get a few more PBs in if I can. I've now got to the point where I can deadlift my body weight, I can back squat 3/4 of my body weight, and most of all, my shoulders and upper body are so much stronger than they were. I just never thought I'd ever be able to do that. If someone was in my shoes before I started, I would say don't delay, get on with it straight away. Aim for small improvements on a regular basis. Be consistent, keep coming. The improvements will gradually come over time. Put a bit of effort in and you'll get there. Fully recommend it.